Get him. Get him. Get him, Sarah. Sarah, Bruce.
What? Have you eaten today? It feels all thin.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're retarded, dog. That's a big bone for a little dog. Big bone for a little dog. You are cute as a button, little doggy. Cute as a button.
No, she's not. She's ugly and she poops on the carpet.
Yeah, she does have a couple misfires, but we can't help that. She's still learning.
She has a pea brain. Her brain is so small.
Sarah, what in the hell are you doing over there?
She's chasing her tail.
Sarah, are you chasing your tail again? Get your tail. Get your tail.
Come here. I can get this tail of yours. Get up. Ha.
Nicely done there, Sarah. Sarah, what are you doing today?